Hello everyone! So today I'm going to show you how to make Namak Paray. This recipe is very famous in South Asian countries, especially India and Pakistan. People enjoy this recipe during snack time and tea time. For this recipe, you would need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of oil for dough, and some oil to deep fry. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, and some water to make the dough. Heat pan on medium to high heat, then roast cumin. Roast cumin until it changes color. In a bowl, add all-purpose flour, butter, oil, salt, cumin seeds, and ajwain seeds. Mix everything well. Next, to make the dough, little by little add water until smooth. The dough should be on the hard side, meaning hard to touch. Spread oil on top of the dough, cover and let sit on room temperature for 1 hour. After 1 hour, divide the dough into 3 pieces. Then make dough balls, cover them and let it sit for another 15 to 20 minutes. It has been 15 to 20 minutes and now the dough is ready to be rolled out. Roll each dough out, making sure it is not too thin. The dough will be rolled out to about 10 inches. Cut the rolled dough out into diagonal strips. Heat the oil on high heat, then immediately lower the heat. Do not fry on very high heat, otherwise the namak para will not be crispy. Fry the namak paras until they are golden brown. You can enjoy this as a snack or enjoy this as a snack with tea. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.